Hello everyone, this is Mrs. Midgham Station, and today we're train spotting here because yes, and yeah.
Jeff Marshall exaggerated. This place is not dead.
One 102.
Jeff Marshall exaggerated.
Now approaching, we have a Class 378 Electrostar service to Newbury. Three 87182. And by the way, I did say 375, not 387. Yeah.
Get behind.
Now approaching, we have a fast
Never speak during the video. It ruins it. Trust me.
It's an IUP. It's not.
Oh, it's from that way. Should we go on to platform 2 after this one?
Yeah.
Wait, no, this is platform 2. But should we go to platform 1 after this one?
Yeah, sure. Wait, Alex, put your face up against this. Oh my god. I have super view on. And it's the funniest thing ever.
What?
I have super view on.
Okay, boomer.
You're welcome.
For a minute, I thought I heard a diesel engine.
I thought I heard this engine too.
Why do I just feel like there's a shed coming? I mean, I love sheds, but that's a good thing, of course. But unexpected, obviously.
What? Look at this. Look, super view. Look at super view. Woo!
Train spotting with a GoPro.
Never done before. Those barriers hasn't gone down since the last train departed as well. Ooh.
That feels. I just feel a freight thing coming. I know it's not going to be one, but I just feel it.
Yeah, freight trains don't come down this line, I swear.
No, they do. They do.
Oh, no.
But just not that often, me.
I've never seen one.
Because you've never been here.
I have before.
To spot.
No, to not spot. No.
Exactly. I've never been here to spot either.
Yep,
I've been...
you're right.
Be quick, be quick, be quick. Yes. What now? No. Don't get a tone from it.
I'm gonna go to the back.
Get in, get in.
Yeah.
This is Midgham.
We always remember the first memories,
Do
don't we?
not try to board or leave the train when the doors are closing. This is a Great Western Railway service to Reading. The next station is Woolhampton.
Yeah, go in there.
Say goodbye, Alex.
Alf Vader's
What?
Alf Vader's
It's been awful.